new device and a new video from GOLDOT Company. Today's device is the FINDX PRO from NOKTA Company. A wonderful and distinctive device that is very suitable for beginners and, of course, for professionals. As usual, for today's device, we're going to get the box and unbox it. We'll take a look at the device's contents. We'll teach you how to assemble the device. We'll talk about the basic systems. And at the end of the video, we'll teach you how to use it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's start the video together.
And talk about the components of the FINDX PRO. Let's open the box. As you can see, we have this bag that carries the device. The manual. The scoop that helps with the search process comes as a gift with the device. The shaft for the device holder and the coil. As you can see right over here, we have the main unit with the integrated armrest. Of course, let's not forget the cables and the headphones for the unit. In addition to the single coil that comes pre-installed with the device, you'll also find that it comes with one extra spare coil included in the box. And let's talk now about how to assemble the device. The method for assembling the device is as follows. Connect the shaft to the coil. As you can see, we have this piece that we attach to this end. After that, the second shaft is attached. And then the main unit is attached to the holder. Of course, there is a lock here that we open. And after we've assembled the device, we connect the coil cable to the main unit. And that's how we've assembled the device.
And now we will walk you through the main systems available in the FINDX PRO device from NOKTA. Of course, we press the button to turn on the device. The device contains 4 basic search systems. The first system is called Field Mode, or the Field System. This system is designed for agricultural land, for open areas, archaeological sites, and places with little metallic trash. How does it work? The device focuses on achieving the best possible depth while maintaining signal stability. Of course, it gives a low tone for iron and a high tone for non-ferrous metals like gold, silver, and copper. And the closer we get the coil to the target, the stronger and clearer the signal becomes. When do we use it? We use it when searching for old coins, when looking for archaeological finds, and when looking for natural gold that is close to the surface, and for large and medium-sized metal pieces. The second system is called Park Mode, used for places that contain a large amount of metal waste, such as gardens, parks, squares, and public places. How does it work? It relies on 3 basic audio tones to quickly distinguish targets: iron, medium conductivity metals, and high conductivity metals. It helps the user ignore a lot of metal debris and focus on coins and jewelry. I prefer using it for coins, rings, jewelry, and for small targets. The third mode is Jewelry Mode. This mode was specifically developed to detect gold, rings, chains, earrings, and small jewelry. How does it work? It increases the device's sensitivity towards metals with low conductivity, such as gold. while improving the response to small targets that might be harder to discriminate. The best places to search or that suit this mode are dry beaches, park, picnic areas, playgrounds, and sandy beaches. The fourth mode is beach mode, as the name suggests. Of course, it's designed to work on dry sand, wet sand, beaches, and lake shores. How does it work? The device reduces the effect of soil and sand mineralization to maintain signal stability and reduce false alarms. This makes it important and suitable for searching in beach environments. Of course, regarding the main buttons on the device, as you can see on the main panel, we have the sensitivity button.
We have the backlight button. You can lower or increase the brightness on the device. We have the volume button, which lowers or raises the sound of this device. We have the pinpointer button, which, if you press and hold it, activates the pinpointer. As for the right button, it is the button to turn the device on and off if you press and hold it, or you press it to switch between the modes we talked about. As for the last button, it is the discrimination AMI, which discriminates metals based on the values you see in front of you above. Through it, you can discriminate the metal you want. Now, you might be wondering how this is achieved. It is done by continuously pressing and holding the pinpointer button while sweeping the coil, which allows the machine to effectively filter out ground noise and focus purely on detecting your targets. And the calibration is done like this. Of course, we do this method 3 times, and after that, we start the search process. Of course, the device is we are performing the search process like this. As soon as the device finds a target, it'll give us the approximate frequency value in the middle, and on the right, it gives us the approximate depth of the target if it shows 1 or 2 bars. This indicates that the device has gotten closer to the target. And with that, we've provided a complete and comprehensive explanation of the FINDX PRO device. In case you need any other information, you can contact us at the following numbers. And you are most welcome. Don't forget to like and follow.